What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is T. You can call me T or Sunny, whichever one you like, girl. I am dressed. We're about to go to like this little tea around DC or something like that. So I want to show y'all my outfit. I'm not finished getting ready because, as y'all know, the titties, Lord. But as y'all know, I have to get some boob tape. That's what I need to go and get, because I was going to wear a strapless bra, but it kind of comes down a little bit too far. So I need something to ring girls in. But I got this from 𝐤𝐬𝐧𝐤𝐬. It's really cutesy, really cute. I'm gonna wear black heels with it, like my black pointed toe heels, and then I'm gonna probably put on, will have like a little black clutch, and that's it. But I'm about to go to Target real quick because I have to go and get some boob tape. Hopefully they have some. If they don't, I'm gonna be very annoyed because then I don't know what I'm gonna wear. But I'm pretty sure they're gonna have some. So let me go do that. I'm back and I found some tape. It is not the best, but they're called Fashion Forms boob tape. But this looks better, okay? Like, I just feel, you know, more secured. Yeah, I like this better. For my perfume today, I'm wearing these two babies right here. Smell so good together. I just put on a little bit of the Patrick Ta balm. So I'm gonna just add a little bit to the top. Just to really have me smelling like delicious, you know? It's like, for jewelry, I feel like I don't need too much, right? Like, this outfit is already kind of doing enough. So I don't need to do too much of my jewelry. So I think I'm gonna just put this on and then put on my little tennis bracelet. All right, you guys, we're on our way. I have my seatbelt on so y'all don't get on me. But we're on our way to the tea around town. I'm excited to see how the lobster rolls one taste. But I don't know. So there was like different packages. There was a VIP package and then it was a regular package. I got the regular package, but I feel like we could still add on stuff if we want, like if we're hungry, maybe. Y'all matching.
Yes.
Hi, recording. Oh, everybody got their polka dots on. So cute.
I'm very scared.
We're gonna draw some on for you. You look so cute, girlfriend. Yeah, they are. Things for my car. So some of y'all recommended getting like some cleansing face wipes for when I'm going to the gym. So I got these, the Cetaphil ones, just because I know Cetaphil is really easy on my skin and I think this will be good. So good for me at least. And then I also got some floss picks because, one, I got them because they're pink. It's cute. And then it's ultra sensitive, so I know that my teeth are sensitive, so I can't just use like regular like floss picks. So I always get the ultra sensitive or like gentle, something like that. But I'm gonna put these in my car just in case, like, you know, I'm out, got something in my teeth and I can't get it out. Need this. Like, it's been so many times where I needed this. And then I also got some gum for the car. We got the shareable size because sometimes other people be wanting some, and hopefully this will last me longer. And then I got this in a PR, and I was like, oh, I'm definitely putting this in my car. It's an underarm deodorant wipe. What? So I'm gonna let y'all know how that goes, if it's really good or if it works. But those are the new things I'm adding to this little section right here. I actually need to, like, I need to take this out. My friend Destiny, she got this for me, so I need to take that out. I have my Tower 28 in here. I'm actually gonna put this in here. I saw somebody's comment that said, like, don't have like air, like spray on deodorant in your car because it can explode. I'm gonna just keep it in there. If it explodes, that's my fault, but I'm gonna just keep it in. I'm gonna put this in here, and I'm gonna put these in here, and then we're gonna put this in here. Maybe this way. Doesn't look the cutest, but it's okay. Essentials. I also just need to wipe down like this area. I don't know if y'all can see that, but like this little area is really getting nasty looking. But I'm on my way to go to the grocery store. This week I'm making sweet potato bowls and probably tacos. Yeah, so it's just ground beef. And then yeah, I just need, my whole idea now is just making simple recipes and recipes that can go with like multiple dishes, because the more I complicate things, the more I don't want to eat healthy, and that's not what we're trying to do. You know, we're trying to lose this stomach, get not a six-pack but a flatter stomach. I'm fine with a little foop, but like we need her to go down. I also got this ab roller, like the little roller, so I'm gonna be doing that like every night, like maybe like 50 rolls every night. But I got the assisted one, so I'm gonna see how easy, or basically how challenging it is, because I do want to challenge myself. So I'm really focusing on tightening my core, because I realized that my back was starting to hurt, and I was like, my back was starting to probably hurt because my core was not as strong as it was at the beginning of the year. So we're retightening that, and we're trying to just make things simple, less complicated, go-to meals, and just easy. I was thinking about going to, hold on, to change my mic around, but I was thinking about going to Outback, because it is Labor Day weekend. I don't really do anything for Labor Day. I might do something tomorrow, if anything, but I don't really be having anything to do on Labor Day anymore.
And that's the way I like it.
I have arrived at the grocery store now, and I forgot my bag.
That's the way I like. I get this type of feel you ain't accustomed to. Yeah, only want you love even silently. But if you fuck me, then fuck you. And that's the way I like it.
My floors for the week came out absolutely gorgeous. I mean, a white rose with baby's breath is always gonna be tea, but let me show you. This is my first time making a sweet potato bowl, and I have like ground turkey and black beans in here that I just made today. But it doesn't look the best, but hopefully it tastes better than it looks, because I feel like it could look a little bit better. I don't know, in my opinion. Y'all, I have not picked up this vlog in I don't know how long, but I'm currently on my way to go see my friend. He's about to propose to his girlfriend, which will, by the time this vlog comes out, will be his fiance. So I got myself together real quick because, you know, people like to take pictures and stuff. So I was like, let me get myself together just a wee bit, and that is what we did. Got there, I'm about to go pick up my friend Rosalind, and then we're going to head to the spot where it's like he's going to propose. He's proposing in DC, so it's not too far from me. I think it's like at the baseball field or something like that. But y'all, I need to really show y'all my new makeup routine because godly, like it's been coming out fire every time. This took me 15 minutes, no lie. I started at 5:02, got done by like about 20 minutes. I'd be lying, about 20 minutes. But I haven't been vlogging because I have been swamped with work, and like that's all my days have been consisting of, is just work. And I just feel like that's sometimes a little boring just to see that over and over and over again. So that's why I haven't really been vlogging like that. And yeah, but tomorrow we are going on a date. First date. I've been talking to this guy, so we'll see where things go. I have high hopes a little bit just because we've been talking for a little minute. So yeah, we'll see. And we're going bowling. Something fun, something, you know, like that's me. I love fun things, you know. I just don't like, I went on a date. What? Stuttering. I went on a date and basically we went out to eat, and it was just like, that is just not for me. I think it's not for me because it just feels like an interview process, and you know, oh, hold on. I was like, why am I was dark a little bit. Duh. But yeah, it just feels like an interview process. And I also just feel like dinners, to me, I feel like they need to be with people that you already know, kinda. That is a little bit better than going on a dinner with someone you're just starting to get to know. I don't know. And it's boring. Girl, it was so boring. That went nowhere. But with this guy, we'll see. And no, y'all will not see him. But we're talking about dating because I put myself on Hinge, and I'm also realizing that I'm so like tunnel vision. Like I need to start looking around a little bit, like, you know. Yeah, so like giving like a guy the eye that you might find attractive or something like that, like I'm realizing that I'm not really looking at men. I just be in my own world, you know. And I don't feel like that makes me look approachable. So yeah, that's just what I've been learning so far about dating. Y'all can of course give me your advice and things like that, but I just saw Raven Elise talking about she met her boyfriend on Hinge, so I'm like, well, maybe, shoot, Hinge is where it's at, you know. Dating is just so interesting. Dating with intention actually is more strict, and like, but we ain't playing no games. It's real strict around here. Like, I'm 30, I have goals, I have like my focus is here, and if you're not here, you're done. Like, you won't even, I'm betting out, ooh, child, I'll talk to my homegirl for real. I am vetting guys out really quickly, because you can kind of see where a man's mind is pretty quickly. So yeah. Ooh. That is where my head is at though. But let me put this down and actually focus, because y'all see it's a little bit of traffic.
Tell 'em I was on PCH. You fucking with niggas that's thinking they cuter than you.
No, it is nice for real. Hi. Okay, so we right here. That's Chad's cousin.
Oh, so you had cousins? You had cousins? Yeah. Is that for you? Yeah. Okay, downstairs right there.
Okay.
You probably don't know. I should feel like familiar. Hey, girl. Last time I seen you, child, was New Year's. For real?
No.
You already know we had fun.
But oh, my stomach achy. I'm not doing nothing. I feel like I got to take a poop. We're just gonna be sitting right here. Oh, I'm about to cry. Oh my gosh, my friend's getting engaged. I'm about to cry. Oh, actual proposal. You know what I'm saying? Look at this. Beautiful. Wow. Bronson, watch out. I'm trying to show it. So cute. Oh. That is just so adorable. And then the little sign, it says, will you marry me? Oh, hold on. My stomach hurt. But yeah, the little sign, it says, will you marry me?
The love and respect that they deserve going into this journey, right? So